Logan here. Today we're going to be talking about a DIY skull hook mount, alright? Something to get your European mounts off of the wall, alright? Here's the flat wall surface. Instead of having kind of that appearance and looking straight down, what I like to do is have them sit off the wall a little bit to give them a more lifelike pose, as you can see right there. So this is going to be a really short video. I found this years ago, and I can't remember, it was on a forum, can't remember what forum, and this was not my idea, this was somebody's, and I can't remember who it is, it's been so long, but I want to get it out there to you guys because I'm sure some of you guys have some European mounts that you want to do this to. So with that being said, alright, so right there, that's all it is. It's a real simple process, and I'm going to show you the picture of all the items that you're going to need. But you're going to need a corner bracket. Alright, so this right here is a corner bracket. Now it has a 3-inch leg on both sides, so it's basically classified as a 3-inch corner bracket. You don't need it to be 3 inches, but it's just a little easier to get all your bends and everything right if it's a little longer. Next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a carriage bolt. This is 2.5 inches long and a 1/4 inch in diameter. Usually the holes inside these corner brackets are a 1/4 inch as well, so this doesn't require any drilling. But if you had a carriage bolt laying around and it was a little larger, you could drill this out to accommodate. Then you're going to need 2 nuts for the diameter bolt that you have, and then lock washers are optional. They do help to keep everything secure, but you don't need them. Alright, so you can do this a couple different ways. At this time you can attach it to the wall, it won't be bent, or you can bend this in a vise kind of at a 45-degree angle here. What you'll notice here, I bent it right on this screw hole, this nail hole, whatever you want to call it, but that's less material you have to bend. Alright, so you can take 2 pliers, grab right here and then grab here and then bend it to the angle you want, or you can attach it to the wall and then use 2 pliers so you don't like push too hard against your drywall or any whatever paneling or anything you have. Then you can bend it to the right location. Alright, so how you attach your Euro mount to that bracket right there is right in the back of the skull. There's a hole where the spinal column entered the brain cavity. So then you're going to take your bolt, you're just going to line that up, stick that bolt into the brain cavity, and then rock it down. Now if this ain't the angle that you want, take it back off, grab 2 pliers, and then bend it to whatever angle you want. It's pretty simple. Alright, like I said, not my idea, seen it on forum, I just wanted to share it with all of you, and hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching. Give it a like, share, and thank you for all your support. Catch you next time.